RAMPF Production Systems, based in Zimmern of Rottweil, Germany, is a leading international manufacturer of production systems with integrated dispensing technology for sealing, casting and bonding reactive plastic systems. We combine high-performance mixing and dispensing technology with customized automation concepts for the development of holistic production solutions. We know process expertise combined with a matching automation solution generates maximum benefits for customers. Our cloud-based customer and service portal monitors and controls the systems we manufacture in real time. This maximizes efficiency and quality and minimizes costs. Whether automotive, electromobility, electronics, filter, medical technology, packaging or white goods. Leading companies in numerous industries around the globe rely on production systems from RAMPF for sealing, casting and bonding. Use our know-how for your success. Discover the future today.